Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 7 of How to Crochet a Granny Square series. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a hard granny square with a unique twist. I have already created a hard granny square in a previous video given on the screen, and I will also add the link of that tutorial into my description box. You can check out if you would like. In that tutorial, I crocheted the heart first and then turned it into a square. However, in this version, I'm doing things a bit differently. I'll be using only double crochet stitches throughout, and instead of using other stitches to create the heart shape, I'll simply change colors to give the appearance of a heart with the granny square. So grab your materials and let's get started. For this granny square, I'm using these two colors, red for the heart and the white for the square, a scissor and a needle, and a hook of 3.5 mm hook. You can use any size and any type of yarn. So let's get started by taking this color. As I have described, I'm going to make a heart with a single stitch double crochet in the entire square. Make a slip knot, insert the hook into the loop and tighten the knot. Now work chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And insert the hook into the first chain, pull up the loop, work a slip stitch, pull through. Now if we pinch the stitches aside, we can see a hole in between the chain 4. Now work a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the hole, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Now yarn over and work another double crochet to make a granny stitch. So 3 double crochets is called a granny stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the base and work a granny stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2. This chain 2 is worked as a corner of the square. Now this chain 2 first corner, this chain 2 second corner. Now again this chain 2. Now again work a granny stitch. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 as a last corner and work a third corner and work another granny stitch into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Work chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 3. Pull up the loop and pull through. Now this is the first round of our granny square. Now for the round 2, work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work an increase stitch. I will increase or end this round with the increase stitch. I am going forward to the next corner, work an increased granny stitch with the chain 2 in between. Chain 2 and again work now again work an increase stitch into the next corner with the chain 2 in between. 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 and yarn over and again work a granny stitch. 2 and 3. Now in the next corner without chaining one, work a granny stitch. Chain 2 and again work a granny stitch. This is called increase stitch. into the same space, work 2 granny stitches with the chain. Now as we have worked 1 granny stitch, now we are going to work another granny stitch. Chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the chain 3. Now chain 3 and work 2 double crochet into the same space. Now this is going to be a change in color. Take the white color and tie the knot between the space. Take out the hook and just unstitch the last stitch. Insert the hook into the and work again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now stop at this point. Just grab the red color and behind and take the white color, yarn over and pull through 2. Now yarn over and work a granny stitch with the white color. 1, 2 and 3. Now again stop right there. Just leave the white color and take the red color and yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over and work an increase stitch into the corner. Chain 2 and again work a granny stitch into the same chain 2 space. Yarn over and work a granny stitch into the next space. Now stop here. Just grab the red color behind and take the white color, yarn over and pull through 2. Now again work an increase granny stitch into the corner with white color. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, again work a granny stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now again take the red color and yarn over and pull through 2. This is how we change our color in between stitches. Now yarn over, work a granny stitch into the space between the increased stitches. Now again we are going to take over white color. You have to take care of the yarns as it get mixed with each other. Give me a minute. Now yarn over and pull through 2. Again work the same as we did in this corner. A granny stitch, chain 2 and a granny stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now leave the white color and take the red color and complete the last stitch with red color, yarn over and pull through 2. Now work a granny stitch into the next space with red color. Now yarn over and work a last granny stitch into the first corner. Chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the chain 3. Now you can see heart is taking its shape. Now for the round 3. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and work 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space. Now leave the red color and take the white color and complete the double crochet with the white color. Now work granny stitch into the next space with white color. 1, 2, 3. Now into the next space again work with white color. 1, 2 and 3. Now complete the last stitch with the red color. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now work increase stitch into the corner with red color. Chain 2 and again work a granny stitch. Now into the next space again work with red. 1, 2 and 3. Now with the white color complete the double crochet. Now into the next stitch work a granny stitch. In the next space work a granny stitch with white color. Now into the corner work an increase. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2 and again work a granny stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next space work with white. 1, 2, 3. Again work with white. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the corner work an increase with the chain 2 in between. Chain 2 and work another granny stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next stitch again work a granny stitch with white color. 1, 2 and 3. Now it's time to switch over color. Just leave the white color behind. Take the red color. There is a mess in the wrong side. Now yarn over and pull through 2. Now work a granny stitch with the red color. One, 2 and 3. Now into the first corner. Complete the set of increased stitches. Chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the chain 3. Now you can see our heart is formed. Now we are going to work with only white color in the next round. So take out the stitch, insert the hook again, insert it to the chain 3 Instead with red, we have to take the white color and complete our slip stitch with white color. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and work a granny stitch, yarn over into the next space, work a granny stitch. Now our heart is complete, so we are not going to use red color again. So if you want to take fasten it off, you can. You can see our heart has taken its shape. Now into the next space. Only one stitch double crochet is used in the entire granny square. You don't have to make another stitch or any confusion. We have to just switch our colors in the right places so we can crochet over heart. This is the most easiest way to crochet a hard granny square without using another stitch. Only one stitch double crochet. If you want to learn how to crochet a regular granny square, you can watch my episode 1 of how to crochet a granny square. This is the same as I have crocheted into that tutorial. I have just changed my color into a specific points, so the heart will take its shape. Now work a granny stitch in every space and into the corners. Work an increased granny stitch. Chain 2 and again work a granny stitch. So work a granny stitch with white color in each space and into the corner work 2 granny stitches with a chain 2 in between, and I will mate at this point. Now I am at the end of the round 4. Work the last granny stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 3. Now work the last round, round 5, 1, 2, 3 with the same pattern as I have described. Work a granny stitch into each space between the granny stitch and into the corner work 2 granny stitches with a chain 2 in between, and work round 5 all across the way to the end, and I will meet you here. Now I have completed my round 5 behind the camera. Now just this is how it looks like from the wrong side. Now hide the tail with the weaving needle. Cut the extra, and this is how my hard granny square looks like. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this variation of the hard granny square. Remember, the key difference here is that we used only double crochet stitches and played with color changes to create the hard design. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative crochet ideas. I can't wait to see what you make with this pattern. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.